Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thanks for your participation in this time all. Okay, in this meeting we will discussion about our topic in the before meeting. Yeah, this moment is as reflecting. Then each people must be presentation one by one related our topic. Yeah, so let me start. Yeah, for our meeting today. Who is ready for the first performance? Who is ready?
Gavera, may I, Miss?
Oh, Gavera. Okay, Gavera. Can you share screen, yeah? So I can change you as a apa? Sebentar. Okay, so I can change you as a host, yeah?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Wait, Miss. Okay. Can you see my PPT?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I will start it now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Gavera Camelia Zoratu Hayati. Today, I will present my presentation. The title is Phrase and Clause. Okay. As we can see, sentences is divided into two. It's phrase and clauses. Phrase divided into noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. And then clauses divided into two. It is dependent clauses and independent clauses. And then what is phrase? A phrase is two or more words that don't contain the subject or verb to make meaning, but it is not a complete sentence. Phrase can be very short or quite long. We can see in the below, the example is, he is standing near a tree. In the mark, I mark the near a tree as red. Near a tree is a phrase. And then next, I will explain about the near a tree. The part of above sentence, near a tree, is a phrase because it doesn't have subject and verb. And near a tree express a complete idea. And then a phrase doesn't include both subject and verb at some time and doesn't make a complete sentence. A phrase cannot stand as a sentence on its own if a group of words include both subject and verb then it becomes a clause. So the difference in a clause and a phrase is that the clause contains subject and verb. But remember, a phrase doesn't contain subject and verb. So a phrase just contains subject or a verb. And then, okay, I will show you the example of a phrase. Running to class, Ambrose tripped on the stairs and dropped his backpack. We can see at the mark running to class. In the red mark, running to class is a phrase. And then I will show you the other example. The other example is after lunch, Donnie went to computer class. We can see in the red, after lunch. After lunch is a phrase. Next. Okay. I will tell you about a phrase function. A phrase has a function as a noun, verb, adverb, adjective, or preposition in a sentence. The function of a phrase depends on its construction. On the basis of their function and construction, phrases are divided into various types. It's noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. Okay. As we know, the types of phrases. The type of phrases is noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. Okay, this is the example of phrase. The first example is the sentence, the brown hat was blowing away in the wind. In the red mark, the brown hat is noun phrase because it is show a noun. So it is called noun phrase. And then in the mark red, was blowing. Was blowing is verb phrase because the function was blowing in this sentence is as a verb. And then the second example is we can see the flowers will bloom in spring. As you can see in spring, in green mark has function as adverb phrase. And then the next sentence is my dad bought a blue and black sweater. We can see a blue and black and green mark has function as adjective phrase. A blue and black is adjective. So this is a adjective phrase. Okay, and then I will make a conclusion. It means that phrases not only have a phrase, but also more than one. A sentence might consist of one or more phrases. Okay, remember, a sentence may consist of one or more phrases. For the example is the first example, the brown hat was blowing away in the wind. The sentence has two clauses. The sentence has two phrases. The phrase is the brown hat as noun phrase and was blowing as verb phrase. And then, okay, I will show you another example of phrase. The first example is the good governor is speaking to the Senate. Okay, the good governor in this sentence is as noun phrase. But if we just mark governor It is just noun, not non-praise. So praise, remember praise is should has two words, two or more words that has meaning. And then the next example is on the stage is a good governor. A good governor in this sentence is as noun phrases. A good governor. And then the third example is he put the keys in the drawer. Put is has function as verb, not as verb phrase. If we want to put as the verb phrase, we should add another word. And then the next example is the tall woman spoke very rapidly. And then the next example is he ran across the bridge and jumped into a red convertible. Run across here has function as verb phrase, and then bridge not a phrase because just divide into a one word. And then we can see jump into. It is a verb phrase. And then the last example is he turned slowly toward her sister. Okay. Okay, the next is independent clause. Okay, there is a presentation for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Gavera. Okay, all the topic have Gavera sharing about praise. As we know that praise is two or more words that have meaning, and then praise have five types, namely noun praise, verb praise, adjective praise, adverb praise, prepositional praise. Yeah, and then before we make good sentence, we must know the praise before, because the process of them are word, phrase, clause, and sentence. So to know then about it is very important for us. Okay.